Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're at the Keens Buildings Live Oak Supercenter and we're going to be showcasing this 28 by 31 double car garage that I have here behind me. Come with me, let's take a look at the options this building has, its overall use case, and last but not least, price. Let's take a look. This building is equipped with horizontal sides and ends and a vertical roof. With studs 5 foot on the center, this building is Florida rated and engineered to a wind load of 150 mile-an-hour winds. Now that we're inside, you can see that there's tons of space in here. The dimensions we're working with are 28 feet wide, 31 foot long, and 12 foot sidewalls. That gives you approximately 16 foot in the peak. With all this space, it's going to be perfect for 2 vehicles parking, as well as plenty of extra storage space. Even with both vehicles in the building, you still have access to over 280 square foot of storage behind the vehicles. This space can be used for workout equipment, a workbench, or anything you can imagine. We've talked a little bit about size, we've talked a little bit about use case. Let's go over the options that this building is equipped with, and then finally we'll go over the price and how we can get one in your backyard. The front of this building is equipped with 2 10 by 10 spring assist roll-up doors. As you can see, between them is a 36 by 80 man door. As we come around the back side, you'll notice that there are 2 24 by 36 inch windows to let in some natural light and to promote airflow when opening the roll-up doors up front. So that just about covers it on the 28 by 31 by 12 2-car garage that we have here at the Keens Buildings Live Oak Supercenter. But before I go, we have to talk about price. This building, as you see it, is $14,500 plus tax. That includes delivery and setup installed on your level foundation. If you need help with concrete, feel free to reach out to one of the brick and mortar stores that we have for Keens Buildings, and we can get you a concrete estimate to fit your structure. Also, feel free to go to the website and design your own building with our 3D estimator. Well, that wraps it up. Thank you guys for joining me on another video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.